Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be making some ackee loaf. So follow back on me. So here we have 1 cup of warm milk. Then we're gonna go in with 1 pack of instant yeast. We're gonna pour that in. Then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna mix this for a little. Then we're gonna also add our melted butter. So this is the unsalted butter we're using, guys. And then we're gonna mix this properly. Then we're gonna go in with 1 medium-sized egg. And this is at room temp. Now we're going to mix this also. Then we're going to go in with 1/4 cup of sugar. So I'm using the brown sugar. If you have the granulated sugar, you can also use that as well. Now we're going in with 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And we're going to sieve that so it's light and fluffy. And then we're going in with 1 teaspoon of salt. And then sieve that in. Voila. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix this in. So we're going to form a dough, combine all ingredients together. So now that this is finished, voila. So we turn it into a ball. Then we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil on the top of it so the dough is not dry on the top. Yeah. Then we're gonna cover this and let it set for 1 hour. All right, guys, here we are. And here 1 hour has passed and it's rise. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna press this out to release all the gas and the bubbles from our dough. Yay! Look at that dough. So we're going to flour our surface that we will be using. We'll add that there. Knead it in a little bit more. Then we're going to flour the top. And we're going to cut this into sections. So we have 4 here, and we're going to do all of this into some little round balls. Just like that. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to roll these, flat them out with our rolling pin. I'm using my bowl to cut it into a round circle. Yes. Ackee loaf, Mr. Ackee loaf. Damn it, Ackee go. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to coat the end of this dough with some egg. Now for the main ingredients. So I have some leftover ackee. So that's what I will be filling this with. So this, for all the meatloaf lovers and all the ackee lovers, this is the deal. You have some leftover ackee, make some meatloaf, ackee meatloaf, and it's delicious, guys, I tell you. So now I'm gonna coat this with some milk. You can also use butter if you want to, but I am using my milk. See, I'm making sure that it's sealed. I tell you, I am ready to dive in. So we're going to repeat the process all over again, the same thing, and then we add our patty Look at that. Yay. And we're gonna brush that. So guys, I did some of it off camera just to speed up the video a little bit. And make some forks through there. And yay. Okay guys, so preheat our oven for at 350 degrees. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cover these to set for another 15 minutes, and then we will add them to the oven. So guys, they are ready to go into that oven for baking. Okay guys, so here we are. They're out of the oven now, and now we're gonna be just coating them with some melted butter. And let me tell you something guys, if you love ackee as much as you said you do, and you love meatloaf, combine these two together. Put the ackee into some nice soft, and just make something. And I'm telling you, this was something to amazing. So now I'm gonna be placing them on here, and I'm gonna cut into one of them so you guys can see what I am talking about. So this is ackee and saltfish is our national dish. So I love ackee and I love meatloaf, so I combine both of them together. So all of the ackee lovers and the meatloaf lovers, roll over here, so niceness there. So yes, look at that guys. So I get 4 ackee loaf. And this is straight out of Pulse Island Kitchen. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut into one of them so you guys can see what's inside. Voila! So it's ackee and saltfish in the loaf. So guys, I do hope you enjoy this video and the finishing product. So thank you guys so much to all my new subscribers, all my followers on Facebook. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you guys for tuning in, and thank you for your love. So remember, live good, love God, and I'll see you next time in Pulse Island Kitchen. And remember to always